Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best dough blender. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Dough Blender. This dough blender is getting a lot of buzzes, and with good reason. Made by Spring Chef, a small but growing company in Dallas, Texas, it's been manufactured to be used by both professional and home cooks. 5 sturdy stainless steel blades make easy work of your kitchen tasks, and the rubber handle has enough give to make it more comfortable for use than a stainless steel or plastic handle. This size is perfect if you have small or medium-sized hands. Many people worry about using a dough blender, as some of them feel that this tool might cause harm to the hands and wrists if it is not handled carefully. However, with the Spring Chef Dough Blender, a top professional pastry cutter with heavy-duty stainless steel blades, you can make your dough and pastries in no time without having to worry about sore hands and wrists. The soft grip handle fits small to medium-sized hands perfectly, so there won't be any discomfort, but still remains comfortable enough for those people who have arthritis. The thick rubber is much safer than plastic, which makes it more appealing for those who don't want their hand or wrist at risk of injury while they work on their dough. This dough blender has a lifetime warranty, is dishwasher safe, and is a great tool to have for all levels of cooks. Number 2. Gorilla Dough and Pastry Blender. Most of the recipes you'll find online for homemade pasta dough advise using a food processor or an electric mixer. But if you have an interest in authentic foods made by the original method, making pasta by hand is truly rewarding. You start by making a well in the center of the flour and putting eggs into it, and then gradually adding the flour to the eggs by stirring in an outward-reaching circle. Then you begin the process of blending the dough into a ball, and this is where this tool can help. Instead of using your own hand power, the dough blender does the job. Built of stainless steel with a rubber handle, this dough blender's 5 blades are heavy enough to handle tough jobs. Added bonus: it's available in 8 different colors. It is dishwasher safe, too. Having a reliable tool to help cook is essential to any kitchen. Whether you are baking pastries, bread, or cookies with your family next Thanksgiving, a great set of tools will make the job easier and more enjoyable. This one is fairly straightforward and perfect for anyone looking for an easy way to make their life easier. The best part about this tool is that it comes in a sleek and stylish multicolor design, so you can use it for years to come. It's also comfortable enough that even those with arthritic hands won't have any trouble working on the dough as long as it's thick enough. Number 3. Last Confection Dough Blender. Most pastry blenders look more or less the same. That's because the design is one that's pretty much been all but perfected over years of practice. Last Confection's all-around instrument takes this traditional look and streamlines it, jettisoning the usual black rubber grip for one made of the same stainless steel as the rest of the blender. It may not be as comfortable as other instruments with cushioned rubber handles, but unless you're mixing dough for some bulk baking, chances are you won't mind one bit. Professional pastry cutters upgrade recipes by creating uniform, well-blended ingredients during every preparation process. This means you'll enjoy better baked goods without the hassle of wasting expensive flour or time spent whisking butter into cookie dough batter by hand. Best of all? This heavy-duty baking tool is crafted of 100% stainless steel, meaning you can use it to prepare a wide variety of different foods in your kitchen. Prepare delicious biscuits and homemade pies with this affordable pastry cutter. This premium pastry blender comes with 5 heavy-duty metal blades that effortlessly blend and cut through everything from dough to cold butter in seconds. The smooth surface of this must-have kitchen tool is seamless, making the preparation process fast and easy. Simply add ingredients to the mixing bowl, place them on your kitchen countertop, and then blend them together with this handheld tool. Number 4. Spring Chef Dough Blender and Pastry Cutter Set. Spring Chef's baking tool collection is designed to make baking delicious treats easier and more fun. The dough blender offers easy-to-use and efficient blending, while the pastry cutter makes clean cutting a breeze. The pastry scraper can be used to cut thin strips of dough in equal sizes, saving you time. Based in the U.S., Spring Chef develops high-quality kitchen tools that are durable enough for commercial use but affordable for the home kitchen. The dough blender is made from stainless steel, with a soft grip handle. It features a comfortable oval shape so users can comfortably roll out the dough in circles or use it to evenly mix ingredients. It features two sides, one that looks like a dough blade and another that looks like an oval scoop. Evenly distribute the ingredients on each side of the blade and use the sharp edge to cut through the ingredients with ease. The scraper is used for cutting strips of unbaked pie crust or other food items in equal sizes. The sharp edge allows you to cut through food without making holes, while the wide handle ensures firm contact while you are handling your food items. Number 5. Fox Run Wire Pastry Blender. The Fox Run Wire Pastry Blender is a must for any kitchen. With an ergonomic handle and durable wire, it will easily mix together thicker ingredients or combine wet and dry ingredients for a perfectly blended dough. The handy thumb rest design makes it comfortable to use with easy cleaning features. It also features a convenient thumb rest for easy, comfortable use. The Fox Run Wire Pastry Blender comes in handy when mixing pie crust dough, cheese dough, cookie dough, or any other type of pastry dough. The brand's utensil has a wooden handle and 6 curved stainless steel wires. It may look more delicate than its more modern peers, but it works like a dream, easily cutting through solid fats so you can blend them with flour during the mixing process. It is a must-have for every kitchen. It puts an end to the trouble of constantly stirring your ingredients in your mixer. It is safe, precise, and gentle on all types of doughs to make them completely smooth and homogeneous. The thing that really makes the Fox Run a must-have tool is its improved action.